All right, today I'm just gonna screw around, do a little short here. So I still am waiting for parts for this bad boy. So I can't really finish the engine yet until I get the new water pump and some other stuff. So what I'm working on now, as you might have seen on the Instagram, it's loud in here. I cleaned this bad boy. So my little Impreza's been under the covers for, I don't know, 3 years sleeping. It was really dirty and dusty and bird crap all over it, and even though it was covered. So I washed it, and now I'm getting ready to clean it. So got some dishwashing soap, some stuff, some scrubbers, and I'm gonna go in there and clean out the engine bay and make it look all pretty. So I'll try to do an after when I'm done. So let's get to it. All right, we've been at it for a while. It looks pretty good here. Hold on. So pretty clean. The metal in there. But what I learned is, despite having some engine cleaner and some dishwashing soap to degrease, yeah, brake cleaner is still the best thing to use. Spray it on a paper towel and wipe away, and it will clean up pretty well. So brake cleaner is your friend.